If you're wondering how to see who shared your post on Instagram, wonder no more in this video. I'll show you how to do just that. It's a really easy process and a great way to keep track of who's been sharing your content. So keep watching this video to find out how it's done. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Instagram app. And when you are on the Instagram homepage, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. So once you are on your profile, tap on the post that you like, and then tap on these three dots at the top. Right? That will give you a bunch of options. So from these options, tap on View Story Reshares, and after that, it will show you all of the current public reshares. And now, if you want to see who shared your post, simply tap on it. And at the top left corner, it will show you who shared it. You can tap on their profile picture to go over and see their profile. So this is how you can see who shared your post on Instagram. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please let me know in the comments section below.